Hey, morning.
Hey, Mario.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
Nice. It's Friday. Woo.
It's Friday.
Yeah. I'm excited for Friday. It's been a busy week.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Learned a lot about very random topics.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah. I had to, a bunch of things that I used to do a lot and then I never do anymore.
I know, I have
Refresh
one more
myself, yeah.
that I wanted to go through as a group. I was hoping, mostly just because I want to try to learn. Sebastian helped me with one yesterday, and I just have another one, and I was hoping that maybe as a group we could go through, because it'd probably be good for all of us to have a little bit of a refresher, and then we'll see if anybody knows. It should be relatively easy. But let's go ahead and run through stand-up first, and then we'll get on to whatever hot topics. I imagine that today will probably be similar to yesterday, and there's just going to be a lot of stuff. The shop is going to be, we're in today. They've been off on Fridays, but they will be here today, so, or are here today.
Okay. Well, I will start. Was working on the minted HeroFlap envelopes story. I created a pull request. I just need to adjust some things still, but it's almost done.
Okay. Hey Mario, a few questions. I haven't looked into the product setup, but normally when we have three of the same kind for the both front and back, each of them have set up a different media, right? And then normally two of them, the front and the back, have the, I remember the modifier name, that will convert that to OpenFlap, referencing the OpenFlap media, right? On the three that you created, you need to make sure that the modifier is referencing the new media for these other ones, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, good, great.
Yeah, the first step, I think, if you can check the script, the first step is create that media first.
The OpenFlap media.
The OpenFlap
right.
media,
Which, right.
and then you need to use that ID for the modifier for the others, for the new versions of the
Exactly.
Hero flap envelopes, let's say. I think I can understand what you mean. I will take a second look into it to make sure.
Right. Okay, good. Yeah, because I reviewed that briefly. I found those two things and stopped and just want to.
I will double check.
Okay, good.
And well, I need to took another story after reviewing those comments, and that's it for me.
Okay, well, for me it was yesterday the BenderPress phase 1 implementation. I keep working on that. And also, well, do a lot of triage and Polbus changes. Yeah, pretty good there. That's it for me. I continue working with the BenderPress. That's it for me.
Okay. I created a story for that cloud printer, or for the UI changes for the hold for release thing. whole for production release, doing all of them that meet the filter. Anyways, and then I worked on tickets most of the day, and then and then I've got I was gonna working on merging or conflicts when merging master back into the multi-box, and then the the shipment polling was failing, which Scotty took care of, and then for Printify, then they've responded and basically not help. There's all of my questions.
help?
I might as well have not asked and just tried to. Anyway, I don't know what we if we want to what they're basically saying. Well, and it's like if it sounds like it's probably a coder, and he's like, yeah, it's just we don't have that in our thing. I mean, anyway, he basically said they wouldn't be. I was asking if we could just do the tracking number to void, and he's like, oh, we wouldn't be able to have that till before the end of the year. So
So he did not really give you an answer of what he wanted us to do with it?
no. Oh, yes, he did. He wants us to send the label ID and the their shipment ID, which would mean
What?
we have to add 2 more columns to our shipments table, which, I mean, that's simple enough. Do we want to do that? And then there's those 2 columns that are just for Printify. Anyway, so
What's the downside of that? Is it just mess or just cluttering up like our data, or
I mean,
what's the downside, I guess?
I mean, if we had very many partners with a custom column, I mean, maybe we could even anyway, it's just adding a column to a table that everything uses, and adding columns, and it's just for a particular partner. Just seems a little I don't know. So I don't know that I could really describe what the downside is, except and also they could be named potentially they could be named in a way that it's kind of like the order table has integration key 1 and integration key 2. We could do something like that so that if something changed, anyway.
Yeah.
I'm
Well, it
not-
sounds to me like
I'm
maybe
not
it's
sure.
a question for Dan. Like, we need
Yeah.
to see if he's okay with adding it, and
Yeah,
depending on what his feelings are, and maybe he doesn't care.
yeah, yeah.
And then if he doesn't care, then maybe we move forward with it. So I will
yeah.
follow up with him early the first of next week when I think he's out today. I think he said he was going to Florida or something. So
Oh yeah, so he might be out next week. Didn't he say that?
I don't know. I don't know how long he was going. Okay, well, I can send him a message then. And
Yeah.
I think it's for a week.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize
Yeah.
he was gone that long. I don't know why I wouldn't think. Anyways, whatever.
Yeah, yeah. So, anyways, so yeah, and I can move. I can yeah. Once
Yeah, if you want
once
to
we've
just put
decided.
like a
Yeah.
if you want to put a short description of what we need, and then send it
Mhm.
over to me, and then I'll just communicate
Yeah.
it to Dan. I just want to make sure I get what it is, and then we can see if he's okay with us doing it, and then we can
Yeah.
go
Okay.
from there.
Sounds
It just
good.
feels like they keep on asking us to bend our system, because they're like, well, we can't get around to it, so you guys just keep bending your system for it.
Yeah, it seems like like you have said, like we have how many partners, and we haven't
Yeah.
had to do this before.
Yeah.
So and then it feels like they had this Casper's guy respond, and it feels like he's their developer, like, and so he's saying, yeah, this doesn't do that. But I think what we're asking, I don't know.
Can you make it do it?
So we can say, yeah, NARS doesn't do it either. So
Yeah.
well, guess we're at an impasse.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Okay. Yeah, just
I
send
don't
me
know.
a short description, and then I'll reach out to Dan, and then I mean, at least
Yeah.
we'll see what he says, and then I can
Yeah.
take it from there.
Yeah. Sounds good. Good. And that's it for me.
For me, yesterday was super fun. We got to release a bunch of stuff. Thanks, Sebastian, and everybody for your help. That was it was a mad
Ooh,
dash. It
thanks.
seemed like there for a little bit getting that stuff out for Dan, but I think it all went out fine and looks good now. So that's
Yeah.
good.
Did you have to finally rebuild batches, or was it okay to adjust on new ones?
I'm not sure what he did. He might have.
Okay.
He took that, so I left that up to him. So,
Mhm.
or at least he didn't tell me to do anything. So, and then we figured out how to do print black and white on the Canon IX. So that was kind of fun. So I got that working.
So that
Yeah, it's just a color profile that we built on the IX, and then in the internet input name we put the name of the color profile. And I went down and verified with Kira that it printed just black and white, even though the file was color. So that's kind of nice because it sounds like for the Indigos we have to actually ensure that the file is black and white.
Yeah, that's what he sounded like. He said,
Yeah, so it sounds like the IX handles that a little bit better, where it just forces it black and white, regardless of what's in the file.
and why that profile name? That your name.
That would be probably an English thing. Black and white is BW, and B-dubs is what we say when we say BW. B-dubs.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And me and Dan were joking around, and Dan's like, "I'm gonna totally name it that." So that's how it ended up being that. That's how it ended up being B-dubs. So if you ever hear me talk about B-dubs, I'm talking about Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh,
That's-
you know.
that's BWW. So Dubs
That's
is the double W.
Yeah, well, yeah, we call it B-dubs. I call
Yeah.
it B-dub.
It's just
Dub
it's
is
just
a
an
double.
American English thing.
Short
I
for
guess.
double. Dub instead
Yeah.
of double.
Double.
Yeah.
You know, B-dub. Or dub is W. Sounds like it. So that's
see.
why
Okay.
that's why the name is weird. I thought it was pretty funny. But I didn't actually think he was gonna name it that.
Yeah. I see. I
So
saw
I
the change
think,
today, and I thought, okay, I would never would come up with that name because I can access the machine. But when you say that we created one, I said, but why that name, right?
yeah. Like, who made
Okay.
that name?
It was it's because it was 3:30 and everybody was tired and being a little silly probably.
True. I was gonna actually put a Stack Overflow in about if you need to do black and white medias on the IX, you just actually need to put the B-dub name in the profile or in the internet method name, I think, because it doesn't matter what it maps over to on the Canon as far as the media. Just that color profile. So
Yeah. When I was looking into that, I filtered all Canon IX, filter everything that has some internet input media. I found there was 5 different medias that internet that we were using. None of them was standing for black and white. But if there were one that would have said BW something, I would have proposed that one. But yeah, maybe we need a better name there.
Yeah, the humorous side of him. I'm sure if Ryan was here, he would have been like, eh.
yeah, he would
Yeah.
not have let us do that for sure.
Yeah.
He's no
Alright.
fun.
Sure.
Dan's like, yeah, I can get away with this.
Makes sense to us, but yeah, probably not to you guys at all.
I see.
But yeah, I would have also looked for BW, yeah, if I was trying to find it and didn't know. But
And it's literally
now we might,
and-
maybe we won't forget now.
Yeah, and it's not even it's spelled BEEDUB.
BEE.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
BEEDUB. So B
That's
dub.
even-
I gotta go.
that's
I gotta
even
go find
less-
a video with that.
Makes even less sense.
It's 1104 is the
Okay.
media. So
B-dub. Oh man.
I would have spelled it B-DUB.
there you go.
That's
Yeah,
how I would, and I would have.
he was.
Needless to say, we were
He was
having
in a silly
fun.
mood. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That sounds.
So it's like, we got to make this one B dub. And he's like, what? He's like, now I'm going to name it that.
Okay. I wanted to, if you guys are okay, I just wanted to go through this, and I've just been trying to learn a couple things, and this is the one, Scotty, you and I worked on. We did it wrong. And I think I know why we did it wrong. I just wanted to see if you guys. So this is like the first of it. Jamie said we're switching the media on the following products from 1001 to a new media, part number 1075, because Chatbooks is out of this. And then, so Rebecca built these, I don't know, 8 products or whatever. And then she said, hi all, I pasted the wrong number on this request. The correct part number is 200329 Lecta Platinum Silk Text. Can we make this change? We'll need to make sure the ticket template is correct. I apologize for my error. And I thought I fixed it. So what I did.
No, you did. But she's saying that we need to change
Well,
the
yeah.
media.
Right. And so we changed the part number, and so that's my question is this all I need to do is just go into this and just change this to this?
Yeah.
Is that all that needs to happen on those?
That's right.
I don't-
Yeah.
And so and the reason what I guess I'm asking is that since I so that this media was whatever it was, and then I went in and I changed the part number. Do I need to go change the part number back on that other media, or is it gonna propagate forward?
No, I think the
Well, this-
part number needed to be changed. That's a media ID. It just happens to be the same as the part. She gave you the part number
Mm-hmm.
as 1075. So you fixed the part number already on those medias, so I think they're fine. I think all you need to do is just change this.
So this media's the media that was in here when I all right. Do you understand what I'm
Internal
saying?
notes. Let's see the
Not
internal
really,
notes.
but
Yeah,
yeah, check
yeah,
the
I'd like to
internal
see
notes.
So-
Updated parent. That's
Oh, he changed it. It was on the substrate.
Yeah, so let me show you what I did, and maybe I'm not being very clear on what I'm saying here. Is
Well, I
it
think
that
what
so?
you did was right.
Yeah, so what we did is we went into media here, and then we went down to the substrate. Oh, where did we go after here?
Oh, you have to go to substrates. It's if you go, you can open another tab to medias. Oh
Doesn't
no,
matter.
top right. Yeah, there you go, that one. And then we changed
And
the
so-
number here.
Yeah, and so what I'm afraid of or not afraid of. What my question is I changed this substrate. So if I go back to the original product that had the 1073 here, and then I change that substrate, is that going to change it on this, or do they
That's
not
just
matter?
changing. That's just changing the product's media. It won't change anything with the substrates or at all.
Okay, so then all I do need to do is just change it to this.
I believe so. And then at the bottom, submit.
so
And
that
then-
1075 is a new media, or
I don't think so. Because the one you created yesterday was 1103, and I created 1104.
So I think it was one Rebecca created
So
a
it's one
couple
Rebecca
weeks ago.
created. And then you'll probably want to hit
Okay.
OK on that.
So this is okay to hit OK?
I don't think so.
And then,
Just say media change requested by Jamie.
so
Just
Jamie
ask
said
for-
first 1073 and she was wrong, and then by giving you the new part number, you infer that the media is 1075.
Well, her email says the media is still showing it's Titan WCP. It needs to be Electa Platinum Silk. So I think what happened.
Oh, and that's 1075.
She didn't actually give you the ID, so I don't know. I'm assuming, Chad, you got that from.
I just looked up Electa Platinum Silk, and there was 2 of them in here. There was this one that was more generic, and then there was a mixed tile version of it.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I assume, and I mean they were exactly the same. They had
It's like the
early,
same size.
it had the same
and
size, the
weight.
same weight, and it was called. But the only difference was that it had I'll
Okay.
show you.
And it matches the part number that she gave you.
Well, yeah. Now I see the.
It's
Yeah,
this one right
or
here.
did you change the part number on the 1073 one?
That's what I'm worried. That's what I'm worried I did. I'm worried I
Yeah.
changed the part number on the wrong thing.
Okay, yeah, that might be wrong. If you changed the part number of 1073, then maybe that's something we need to revert. I don't know.
Yeah.
And then
And
make sure
then-
that it's right on 1075.
But the weird thing was the part number on the one we changed was 1075.
Right.
Strange.
So is
Which
that
doesn't
what?
sound, which
what
doesn't
the
sound like a
substrate
big
was?
enough part number.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that sounds like a conflict with the, like, somehow the fact that there's this media that's 1075. It feels like there was just a mistake made, maybe, because part numbers, for one thing, are never that short, I don't think. And then the fact
No.
that there's a media that has the same size and everything.
Yeah, because that
The
was where.
other thing, too, let me read you the bottom part of this email chain, because this is the confusing part. It says we're switching the media on the following products, those products he showed, from 1001 to a new media using part number 1075. That's a weird way to specify what media it is. But she also says it needs Chatbooks is ran through a specific ICC profile, so we need to call this media Chatbooks only and make sure the ticket template matches the current template on media 1001. So I don't think actually that's what you want to do.
Do we have to create a new media, a Chatbooks only media?
What it sounds like.
Yeah, and when she says the template,
Yeah, that was the part I was really cute. I don't know what that means. That's
So that's talking about the because when it goes to the large presses, the Chatbooks has their own internet profile.
yeah,
use.
or mhm.
And so that's so I think she's saying the template. So if we go to media 1001,
medias. Okay. Oh, great. 1101 or 10,000?
no, 10,001.
Was this in a ticket?
Probably. I'm just on the email chain.
It might be a ticket.
What's
too.
the heading?
It is. It's
Chatbooks. Oh, it's 12196. Is the
Oh,
ticket.
I see
Okay.
that ICC.
Yeah. So I think that's all that bar means.
no. Okay, so if I go. Okay,
Yeah,
so here's
media
10,001.
So if you look at the internet input method, the down at the bottom right there. See, it says
Okay.
Media Chatbooks ICC. So basically, I think what she's saying is we need that new media, but it has to have that internet input method.
So maybe we need to duplicate the one that we were looking at, the media that's the media to 1075, and duplicate and make a new version that's Chatbooks
Yeah,
only, Chatbooks only.
that's what I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So right now, the description of this media is Chatbooks only, and it's the WC. So we need
You need to
to.
We're gonna want that Chatbooks only string at the beginning of the description of the copy that we make.
So I think what we want to do is go to Media
Yeah, like-
1075.
But probably keep that one open so you can go back and
Yeah.
forth.
Yeah, do-
Okay.
Or well, no,
Like, do
well,
another Or I don't know if you think of
Yeah.
a better way. Yeah.
No, that makes sense. I was.
Yeah. I guess you could just have both in that, yeah.
Okay, so this 1075, and then what we're saying is we're gonna have to duplicate the media.
Open a new
Okay.
window. Oh no,
Oh, that's okay.
the other button takes you to the new media
But
that
you can
created.
just go through
Oh.
it now.
So open another tab.
Okay. And then go back to medias again,
Uh
right?
huh. Up. There you go.
And now I
And
want to
then-
go to,
Just sort
Just
media.
probably-
Just sort the media.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
so it should be this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
And then we want to change
And
that
now-
to chat books only and that to the chat books, whatever the one on the other one is.
Oh, so it's not
It was
gonna
me,
find it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you'll have to.
Yeah, media chat books ICC.
Right?
And then take
And
that.
then I'm gonna change
string-
this, the
Just-
description or the media name.
Both.
Yeah, I think
Go
both.
back and look
I
at
think,
the other one.
Yeah, I think the media name gets a CB only.
Yeah, look at that 1001. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so chat books only in the description and the media name is CB only.
And then looks like you can get rid of the indigo.
Oh, indigo, okay. So we're gonna call this
Just replace
chat
that.
books only. Chat books one word
Yeah.
only. And then under this one, we're gonna say CB only, right?
Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah.
Was it all caps?
Yeah, I think so. And it was all one
You know,
word.
CB only was,
All one
Yeah,
word,
CB
all
only.
caps.
Yeah.
There you go.
but this
Space
one was
at the
chat
end.
books only like this, right? Or no?
I think so.
Yeah, so that was like that. Okay. And that's like that. So that's the same, right? And then the media chat books. And
Put
so
a
that
space.
is
Just put a space right there.
right
Put a
here.
space where
Like
your
after the
cursor
CB.
is.
Oh,
There you
wait.
go.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like that.
And then we'll submit changes and it's
And you have,
done.
you have to activate it. It's
How do you do
underneath
that?
the Substrate. It's underneath the substrate column there. I'm pointing.
Like
Oh,
just double.
got it.
Yeah.
You're pointing on your screen.
Yeah, I'm like, it's right there. It's right there.
So submit changes. Okay. So now we have this. So I can probably close this one now, right?
Go to the product now. I'd leave it open for a second.
Okay. So
And then
now
you might
I'm
have
gonna
to-
go to.
Might have to refresh to find it. I don't know if it'll be there, but it's gonna be 1104 or 1105. 1105. There we go.
Okay.
Oh,
So-
well, we can change that after, but yeah, go ahead and set it. We'll get rid of the copy at the bot.
Oh, yeah,
on
that's right.
the
Oh.
menu. But that doesn't matter.
So
But for here, just save it. Yeah.
Yeah, just go ahead and go back to product.
this is the one that I want to take out the copy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just it won't matter for what the other
Does
side.
it add
of it.
anything to the end of media name?
I think so. I think it's a copy on both of them.
No,
Nope,
it wasn't.
I lied.
Okay.
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 So now we'll change
Uh,
that.
It didn't save. I think it interacted with the help.
Oh,
there you
now
go.
it did. Okay. So now I can go back to the the product, right?
Yep, and save that.
So 1105.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save that guy.
Whoa.
And yep, update all those. I actually don't know if it will, but
And then Okay, so do I submit it again, or it's good?
No,
That's-
it's already submitted.
Okay. So, and now do I need to go to the substrate?
No, you don't need to do anything there.
So I don't need to add that part number to this?
Well, we can, you don't have to do that right now, but we probably should go up. I would go talk to her about what the part number should be for those, and then update the substrates later. But it doesn't matter for them to get going.
Okay.
I don't think.
So
Is that
then
right,
on
Chuck?
these,
Yeah.
I just
yeah,
need to do 1105. Was that it?
Yeah, and then save.
That.
And you have to put the reason in again.
Don't share the same initial value product.
Yeah.
So that means that
Yeah. There's an item for the product that doesn't have either the new media or the original media. Has something different. So if you click to see the conflicting items, you will see that specific item, what media it has. What is it?
yeah, deal.
Does this mean that it just?
Is one. Put the cursor over
Yeah, hover over the link and then
Oh, it's
101.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that actually
Okay.
should be the original value, right?
Okay, maybe he needs to refresh the screen. On the
On the media or products.
But, yeah. Yeah, say okay. I think you are okay to move that.
So this is chat books only, and now.
But it's already moved. It's already
Oh.
submitted.
Oh, so it did it. Okay, so all right.
Well, actually,
What?
I don't know what just happened, but I think it.
Oh, I don't like that.
Did you click OK on it? Or-
No,
I know. I
just
just
refreshed
refreshed it.
So go back to 1101 and then back to 1101 05.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
so that you have the option to
What?
update
No,
the
no.
items.
Was it 1101 or 1001?
This is-
Whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was.
Oh.
I mean, because we're gonna switch it back, but yeah, I think it,
Yeah,
That's
you're
what
right.
that's on.
1001. 1001. But yeah,
yeah.
we will get there anyway.
Oh, because it's an auto
Yeah.
cut, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so and then I
And-
want to submit this.
Yes. Do everything, maybe.
Just say okay,
Sure.
or
Yeah,
this one.
and-
Do it.
We're gonna change.
I would
it,
say
so-
yes and change it again, and you will have exactly the same.
And I have to do that, right? And so now I'm going to change it again.
Right.
And now submit. And now it's going to say, oh, this time
Okay,
it said
great.
it. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And then we'll go to the next one.
So this is actually on 1101.
Oh,
Oh, there really was a Chatbooks one. Yeah, that's interesting. That was actually a similar.
the other one was auto cut. But
Oh,
it didn't
so
matter
wait.
because we changed it away though.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
does that mean this one shouldn't be? Was
This
that the
one's
same
not,
version,
but
but this is
neither-
not AutoCut? Oh,
Oh, they were both the same.
I wonder if we need to make an AutoCut version then.
the
Yeah.
1001 said auto cut, but these are all set to 1101, which was not an auto cut.
I think one.
And did it get moved because the smart stacker went down a few days ago?
Yeah.
Or maybe they're supposed to be 1001, but they moved them off because of the smart stacker.
Possible.
Hmm.
But what Chuck was saying might be true. We need an auto cut media.
Which usually all chat books are auto cut, right?
Because I don't think. Oh, are they?
Yeah, they usually go on the smart stacker. Almost all chat books, they try to go to the smart stacker. But if I finish going through these and then I ask Jamie if they need to be auto cut, we can just change it on the media itself and then it'll be good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if they don't need a non-auto cut, which I think they would all want it to be auto cut, because otherwise the way that Chatbooks is laid out, well, I guess they would just lay out differently if they were not auto cut.
So we would, and that's all we have to do on that, right? Is go back to that media and do auto cuttable
I believe.
and then change the media
Yeah.
name.
Yeah, they usually say auto cut in there.
But am I worried that like it's processing all those like 419 or whatever? Does that need to be done first or?
It's already
Like-
done. It just updates it.
Yeah,
Okay.
Like when you.
but as far
when
as
you
like the
change it.
batches will have to be
Yeah, so
pre-processed,
I would just
rebuilt.
maybe go ask now and see if it needs to be auto cut, so that we just don't miss anything.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll go and I don't know if they're working on this, so I'm gonna try to do it. So I think I'm gonna go talk to her and I'll work on it with Chuck and Scotty. We'll figure it out. I just was trying to understand what we did wrong on this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Well, does anybody else have anything for stand up today then?
No, I'm just also fixing that huge card specs. So with Leah, that
Oh,
thing
yeah.
that you brought, Scotty. So the
Oh.
error is gone now.
Sweet.
So,
Oh, is that the thing you were
yeah.
working on last night? The
Uh,
fine thing.
No, not the spine. It was a product request for a huge card, actually like a
Oh,
wrapping
okay.
paper.
Oh, okay.
So it was not well spec'd. So I need to, but it's done now. So
Okay.
I'm in touch.
Oh
with
yeah,
her.
she said that it worked. Okay, good. All right.
Thanks for looking at that.
No
Okay.
worries.
Well, just reach out if anybody needs anything, and we'll just keep belling water. It's been a week, so
Mhm. Drilling holes in Bell and Water.
that's right. Okay. All right. Well, thanks,
Okay,
guys.
awesome.
I'll reach out if I need something. Sebastian, Mario, I may, depending on how the day goes. Yesterday got really crazy about, I don't know, 1 or 2 in the afternoon for the whole day, and we were scrambling. So hopefully that won't be the case today, but can't rule it out. So I
Why not?
appreciate your guys' help. Okay,
Okay,
thanks everybody.
awesome. Hey, see you.
Okay,
Toodles.
yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.